Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So we start off today with this big chop transformation. The hair is placed into ponytails and the stylist cuts them right off. Wow, so she is definitely going super short with this makeover. Oh, this is so chic. I love the texture that he is doing here. Wow, she looks amazing. Beautiful choppy texture, pixie style. This is definitely a dramatic transformation. Now, if you guys are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some shocking, must-see short hairstyle ideas. So we move right along to our next hairstyle. This one is going to feature a mixie haircut. So this is another huge trend that we've been seeing this year. Get some bangs added here, playing into that baby bang trend. And this particular haircut is pretty much a play on the mullet trend. I like to personally call it the baby mullet. Side note, I like the stylist hair. That bold yellow is so cute and fun. So there is the before. There is the after. Very cute. I love the fact that retro hairstyles are back. Like, they're just so much fun. So next up, we have another chop. Looks like she might be getting a bob here. Bangs to frame out the face. Beautiful, chic, a simple bob makeover. And it looks like we have some shaping here for the next one. He's doing some layers. Beautiful curtain bangs. Oh wow, look at how he's cutting. Oh, her hair looks so volumized and beautiful. Wow. And he does some more bangs here, the curtain bangs. Huge trend that we've seen all this year. Gorgeous. She looks amazing. think it's really interesting how he cuts the hair when he does like the cutting from upward. Very interesting technique. And her curtain bangs look amazing. So then we see someone with hair just above or around their shoulders. Oh, very nice pixie cut. Look how volumized her hair is. Lots of options when it comes to the styling. Very cute. And then we see someone with long waist-length hair. Oh, wow. She went super short with a pixie, beautiful asymmetrical shape. Wow. I was thinking she was probably gonna get a bob. Wow, she went super short here. This is so cute though. She has a lot of hair that she can play around with once again when it comes to the styling. And the asymmetrical pixie is definitely one of my favorites. I just think it's so becoming. And like I said, you still have a lot of options with the hair. You can curl it up, slick it down, wear it to one side or the other, put some curls in. Like there's just a lot of variety when it comes to styling. So it looks like we have another cut refresh here. Shaping the hair into more of a pixie style. Oh, very cute. It's kind of like a play on the pixie bob trend. Hair is a little bit longer in the front, shorter in the back. Very cute. Now this option also allows for a lot of styling. And then we see someone with a bob. And it looks like she decided to color her hair and get a pixie cut. Beautiful face framing pixie here, swoop bangs. Very nice texture throughout. And then we have our last transformation for today's video. Take your guesses now. What do you think she is going to do with her hair? So it looks like she has a ponytail. The stylist cuts that off. And bam, kind of like a bixie cut in between pixie and bob style, or mini bob. Very cute. I'm sure she is loving this change because this is like a very low maintenance, carefree style. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these hairstyles with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.